In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default Gmail account in Chrome or Firefox or Edge. If you use more than one Google account, you've probably noticed that one of them always opens first in Gmail, Drive, or other Google services. That first one is your default account, and it's set by whichever account you sign into first in a browser session. The good news is you can change it in just a couple of minutes, and the process is the same in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Start by going to gmail.com in the browser where you want this change to apply. Remember, the default is saved per browser profile, so if you switch browsers or profiles, you'll want to repeat the same quick process there. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or the initial icon. This opens a menu that shows all accounts currently signed in on this browser. Take a second to confirm what's listed so you know what you're about to adjust. Next, sign out of all accounts from that profile menu. You should see an option labeled Sign Out of All Accounts. Click it, and wait for the page to fully refresh. This step clears the current order of accounts, so you can set a new default cleanly. Keep in mind, signing out here affects your Google sign-in across tabs in this browser, which is exactly what we want to ensure the default is reset. Once you're signed out, you'll be taken to the Google sign-in page. Now, sign in first with the email address you want to be your new default. This is the crucial part. The very first account you sign into after signing out becomes the default for that browser. Enter your credentials, complete any verification that's prompted, and let Gmail load with that account. At this point, your new default is set. If you use additional accounts, you can sign into them afterward, and they'll appear under your new default in the profile menu. To double check, click your profile picture again. You should see the account you just used at the top. Open a new tab and visit another Google service like Drive or Calendar, and you'll notice it opens under the same account automatically. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Repeat this in any other browser you use regularly, since each one keeps its own default. If you work with separate personal and work accounts often, consider keeping them in different browser profiles so the default stays consistent in each. And that's it. Head to Gmail, sign out of all accounts, then sign back in first with the one you want as default. You're all set.